Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So this time, as you can see, we have here the W King D20 speaker.
Wow.
With the two wireless microphone, and right now we're going to test the karaoke function of this speaker. So itatry natin siya with echo and less echo. So kakanta tayo at magsasalita tayo kung anong difference. So ngayon, ito yung full echo niya. Sound check. Sound. So, narinig niyo ba guys? Ayan. So, once tanggalan natin siya ng echo, ito siya. Sound check. Sound check. Pwede na siya pang pang vocal lang, pang speech, pang seminar, or ano yung mga events na gaganapin nyo. So, pwede siya kasi wala siyang echo. As in, tuyo siya. And then, pag gusto mong kumanta ng karaoke song, lagyan mo lang siya ng echo. I-push mo lang siya pataas. Sound check, microphone test, sound, test. So ito yung pinakamaganda niyang tipla for me. So the next things we have to do is to sing karaoke song. So itry natin siya kantahan guys. Alright? Song.
When I think back of those times and the dreams we left behind, I'll be glad cause I was blessed again to have you in my life. When I look back on those days, I look to see your face. You were there for me. In my dreams I wanna see you soar above the sky. In my heart there's always been a place for you for all my life. I'll keep a part of you and me. And everywhere I am, there you'll be. And everywhere there you be. You show me how it feels through the sky within my reach. I always remember the strength you get to me. You love me to make it through. Oh, so much to you. You were there for me. In my dreams I wanna see you soar above the sky. In my heart there's always been a place for you for all my life. I'll keep a part of you and me. And everywhere I am, there you be. Thank you.
So ayun siya guys, narinig nyo na kung ano yung quality niya pagdating sa karaoke song. So if you want more, itry natin na rin siya ng iba pang kanta. Right.
That you just don't see, but if you would only take the time, I know in my heart you find. Oh, there's sometimes hope isn't always strong. I just see the hand of me, I feel so alone. I wanna run There's nobody there, no one cares for me. What's the sense of trying for your dreams? Without someone to share and breathe, tell me what does it mean? I wanna rush you. I wanna rush to you. Will you hold me in your arms and keep me safe from harm? I wanna run to you. Let me come to you. Tell me what is it? Oh, will run away?
So ayun guys, tapos na natin siya matry sa karaoke song. So sana nagustuhan niyo. Kung ano man yung narinig niyo sa kanta ko. So maraming salamat and thank you for watching. God bless. Bye-bye.